My name is Botho Graduate. I work for Alex Forbes, popularly known as Alexandra Forbes, as a human resource consultant. I think in response to the question of why is it important for my organization to work or partner with Botho University, with regards to the conversations that we've had today, I've gotten an understanding of how Botho, in terms of its trainership towards the learner, they are well packaged, and the fact that, you know, these learners come out of university having had on-the-job training, which I think then creates a space for them to be able to articulate themselves within the workspace, as well as, you know, interact fully within the workspace. What I also believe would be beneficial towards my organization is issues of just how well the programs are packaged. You know, they're talking about issues around process automation, data analytics, which is what we are really needing within our systems, within our workflows and all of that. So I think they'll help us optimize our work and also, you know, advance how we do things in terms of ways of work. So I'm really quite impressed with the efforts that they're doing as an institution towards ensuring that learners are work ready, which is really, really critical. That's why I would love to partner with this big institution.